Alright guys, good morning, good morning. Just gonna give everyone about a minute to hop on. It's about 9:19. We'll get started in a minute at 9:20. Alright guys, 7:20 on the dot. Markets stable from yesterday. S&P moving us out to the hourly. We're just playing along the bottom of the support line here. So I like it where it is today. It looks bullish. We have room to move towards the upside. I think that's what we're going to do. As I said before, today the new SEC regulations kick into place where all short sellers are going to need to hold, for broker dealers, are going to need to hold collateral for the shares that they lend out. So there's going to be a collateral crunch today. So I think we're going to get a nice push on the markets, right? Because these companies also have long positions, and so the higher and the more valuable their long positions, the more collateral they have in the bank account. So I think the market is going to run upwards today. Let's wait and see. I like SPY where it is today. This is the NASDAQ here. Yesterday we got a break out of this channel. That's where we took our call, made a nice 54% on that. And we are playing along this ascending support here. So we are leveling off. Let's see if we get a bounce off the blue. But we do have a level of resistance right here. I'll draw it in for us. This orange line, as we see, touched once, touched twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So we know that this level right here is a very, very strong resistance and support. So let's see if we can get above there. If we break above this level here, I will probably take a long, buy some calls in TQs, buy some calls in a SPY. If we break above here, 416.29. This is my pivot point here. It's almost like a flat top that we are forming right now. As we move along, I'm going to draw in the yellow line here in the SPY for us. Mark out this flat top. So this orange line up top, this yellow line at the bottom are our boundaries for the flat top. I like that we are trending along the blue line right now. Pump, back down to the blue line, pump, back down to the blue line, pump. And then I want to see us break this orange line here for the next move upwards. If that happens, I'll take some calls on the SPY. Otherwise, I'll take calls on the SPY down here. I'll take calls on TQQs above this line here. Bitcoin, kind of the same thing, a bit of flat, looking like it wants to break up this morning. So we got Tesla earnings on Monday. I think the earnings, we might get an earnings beat, which is going to be good. I think we're going to get some hype moving into the earnings. So I think Tesla will move up along with the TQs, which looks like it's trying to move up right now. Actually, let me zoom out. Is that okay, something to look out for, guys. Look at this. We got a double top here and then a tank, and right now we're getting a tweezer top on the hourly, so something to look out for. We are bouncing off the VWAP. Let's see if we come back down to this blue line and bounce. But as I said before, right, tweezer tops generally mean we're going to get a small reversal or a big reversal, who knows. I've got a tweezer top on Tesla right here as well, just matching the NASDAQ, the TQs, so we might get a reversal. But what I like, nice little cup here, consolidation along this fib level into the next leg up. So let's see if that happens. I took calls on Tesla yesterday at around, no, where did I take calls? At around here. Made a quick 20% on them, got scared on this consolidation, but then I moved into the TQs shortly after, made 54% on the TQs. So Tesla, as long as we can hold above this fib, I like it. I might take a position today, just because we have a nice level of confluence. We have the blue line, we have the yellow line, then we have this fib here at 743 acting as a very nice support level. Other than that, not looking to take positions on anything else. Chipotle, also on a nice support level. QS just been consolidating here. I like QS down here at 29. We almost touched there yesterday. We didn't quite get there. The market pumped. I think we're going to get back there shortly, so I'm not going to hop in or chase. Square, I mean, just right under this fib, so between this fib and this fib here, we might just get squeezed in this area, but Square has been showing itself to be strong relative to the market. And our good friend GameStop here. GameStop looks like proxy materials will be sent out early in May, so we were expecting that to come out in April, and so that would be triggering the share recall. So it looks like we're going to get that in May. So a lot of consolidation in game, which is what I like to see, right? So we've been consolidating all along here. We have volatility all the way down here, which means calls and puts are relatively cheap to buy. Hi, buddy. So let's see if we get that continual consolidation all along here. So we're just kind of playing in this channel here, unable to break $75. Touch once, touch twice, touch 3 times here. Here you go, buddy. And then we do have this low here at around 150. So kind of playing in this band here. You want Daddy to hold this? Okay, go get it, buddy. So game, that's what I'm looking at right now. Continual consolidation. We'll see if we get a run today. I think we'll probably start getting a run next week and towards May. What do you want, buddy? Go get it. What do you want? Hey, you don't throw a fit. You show Daddy what you want. What do you want? Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Yeah. Show Daddy. I don't know what you want. There's so many things in there. You have to show Daddy. Daddy doesn't know what you want. Show Daddy. Come. Daddy help you. You show Daddy. What do you want? Want this? This one? Okay, you say Daddy, I want my marshmallow. You hold it. Where do you want it? Where do you want to put it? You want Daddy to hold it for you? Okay, then you have to tell Daddy, put one here. Daddy, take this. Daddy, put one here. Then you have to say Daddy's lap. Okay. Yeah, buddy. You don't whine. You tell Daddy what you want, and then Daddy help you. Okay? Alright guys, so just watching the markets here. I like this flat top right here on the TQs. Continue to bounce off the blue line. But then we do have this top resistance here, which is pre-market pivot. So I'm not going to take a position just because the risk to reward level is not huge, right? We can come all the way down to this yellow line, but then our next resistance is up here. So reward versus risk, we're looking at maybe like a risking 10 and getting 1 reward out of it. So risk reward margin are very, very skewed here. On the S&P, once we break this level here, it's going to be like a blue skies breakout. I don't think we've been higher than this. Let me zoom out. Oh, we have. We went all the way up to almost 418. So we have pretty nice room to move. Let me zoom out to the hourly, put in some more supports and resistances here. So we have some resistance there, and then we have some resistance here, and a little bit here. Alright, so those are our resistance levels on the S&P, so that way we know what our target profit is going to be on our calls. So if I was to buy calls on the S&P today, you don't touch that keyboard, buddy. What I'd be looking for is the mark of 417. Calls on the TQ, I'd be looking for a mark of 109.50, something like that, like a strike price. Let's see, we're getting a downturn here. As I mentioned before, we do have tailing wicks, tweezer top on the 1 hour. Usually we get tweezer top. You know what that means? It means we're going to get a reversal to the bottom side. We have about 2 minutes for the market to open. Let's see where we go. Tesla already breaking down from this level of support here, so a bit of weakness as we move into the morning open. We see a big volume of selling on the TQs here, but at this level it's been mainly biased. So let's see, SPY A little bit of a reversal before we enter the morning. Alright, so we're just getting ready here. And guys, something to remember on GameStop, Max Payne this week is $160. We've been kind of ending around Max Payne levels for the past several weeks there in that consolidation. So as always, I'm going to sit and wait, see what the market tells me before I make a move. Oh, market just opened. Let's go. 9:30 on the dot. Watching the markets here. In general, what have we seen? We always see a sell-off right when the market opens, and then a bounce off the lows to the daily high. Let's see if that continues. So we're getting the sell-off. So this is the morning open sell-off that we always get. Tesla trying to recover here. Nice big buy volume. We got Chipotle. Ooh, we got QS. Nice spike upwards. Square coming down a bit. Game still holding this level here. 56 is our mark. And then we can always come down here, which is 45 as well. And then this level complements down here at the 40s. I don't think we're going to come down there at all, but you never know what's going to happen with this stock. It's so heavily manipulated. Ooh, Tesla, big spike. Tesla looks like it wants to run this morning. So what I'm going to do is, because Tesla is running, I'm going to take a position on the TQs. Expiry for tomorrow, April 23rd. I'll go for call of 109. Just waiting here. TQs, if it breaks 108.19, it's going to be a bearish day. We're just going to give it a wait. Ooh, market sell-off. But Tesla is doing Tesla things. Watching the TQs on the 1 minute. I'm going to see if I can buy it here. This turns into a reversal. We have a little bit of a doji forming at the bottom, some indecision. Just going to be really patient with my... Nope, looks like we're breaking. So we might have a downward day today. You want to come down? What do you want? Come, there's nothing in here. You have your apple. It's in the living room. Do you want to go get your apple and eat? Okay, go get your apples, buddy. You hungry? Go get your apple. Ooh, looks like a down day today. So I did not pick up any calls here, just waiting. You want to come up? Just waiting for the market to tell me what it's going to do. There we go. There's our bounce. Let's see if that holds. Tesla continued to move up, so I'm going to pick up those calls now. TQQQ calls for 109. Expiry for tomorrow. Hi, buddy. So I'm going to buy 10 calls here. So I just bought 10 calls there for TQ 109 strike for tomorrow. Tesla's going nuts this morning, so I think the TQs are going to follow. Let's check out the rest of the tech sector. Nice bounce here. Square. Game. Woo! Nice tailing wick off the bottom. I don't know what is going on with Tesla, but we need to wait for a pullback. Starting to feel that FOMO in Tesla. I was saying here this would be a nice level because we do have good levels of support down here. TQs, if we break above this level here, which is the blue and yellow, I will add to my calls. Whoa. You want Daddy to get apple for you? You want more corn? What do you want, buddy? There's nothing in here. Come, Daddy, get you more food. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get this guy some more food. Let's go get some more food. Let's go to the fridge, buddy. What do you want? Okay, come. Come on, buddy. You want corn? Alright. Looks like we're heading up on the TQs right now. Still waiting for it to break this line. Looks like we just broke, so I'm going to add to my call position here. Want to be careful, guys. Waiting for confirmation of a break above this blue. We're starting to get some tailing wicks right as we approach this. Back on the 5-minute right now. Looks like Tesla wants to run as well. Square coming down a bit. Nice tailing wicks off of this line here in game continuously. Let's check the SPY. SPY trying to bounce off of this level. If we break this level, I'm going to buy puts on the SPY. Then I'm going to flip into puts on TQs as well. Normally the SPY breaks down, TQs will break down as well. It's hard for the tech sector to move separately from the main index. Watching here. So if we break down, I'm going to sell. Otherwise, I'm going to hold my position. Looks like we're getting rejection from the blue. Just watching the markets here, a little bit of indecision. They're not too sure which way they want the market to go. SPY breaking down here. So, the tech sector is trying to move. So we get a bounce on the SPY. Right now we're at yesterday's kind of pre-market or after market close. What I want to see on the TQs is a move over this blue line, but looks like we're getting tailing wicks off the top. I'm going to sell my position here. Pretty much selling a break even. Looks like it's going to be a down day, so I just sold out. And now I'm going to buy 408 puts. Just wait, buddy. Alright. Come sit up here. So I just picked up some puts because we broke the pre-market lows there. So I sold out of my calls, pretty much break even. Now I'm going to ride some puts. We do have a pretty far way to fall. It looks like that's what we're trying to do this morning. Shrink this down. We have all the way down here to 106. So it looks like right now this blue line here is acting as a resistance to us, so kind of a reverse spirit bomb. So the blue line will continually push us down for the rest of the day. We broke below this pre-market low here, so that is extremely bearish. Game actually breaking down. Everything falling now. I'm going to add to my puts at this level. Waiting for this 5-minute candle to play out, but it looks like we're heading down. So I'm just adding to my puts. So if we come back up to this blue line, I'm going to add to my puts again. So I bought some puts here, bought some puts here. It looked like as we're going to break down, and I'll add some puts on the bounce back up. If we break above and hold above this blue line, then I will exit my puts. Looks like Tesla is trying to hold this level here, which is the fib. Yeah, hi buddies. Hi everybody. Hello. SPY, we broke this line here, so it looks like we're coming down. We do have this bottom line here to act as a support level, but if we break this lower band here, we'll probably have a good ways to fall all the way down to 410s, which we did a couple days ago. lower lows right now on the TQs. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo. So right now we're getting caught at 408. I mean 108. Let's see if we break down past 108. 108 has been holding for the last 5 minutes here. I'm going to pull us out the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we have mainly tailing wicks off the top, right? So showing us that we have more selling pressure than buying pressure, and we're just hitting this flat bottom here at 108. So this blue line looking like it's going to act as a resistance and push us down until we break this level here. Flipping back out to the 5 minute, guys. Tesla coming down off this morning spike. So it looks like this was a bull trap. So a lot of people hopping in to ride this candle, and then a big sell-off at the top. So if Tesla breaks 740, that's going to be very bearish. That's this bottom right here. The SPY. Let me flip us back out to the 5 minute. So we do have a tweezer bottom here. Not really a tweezer bottom, just because this tailing wick is very small. But we do kind of have a double bottom here at around 108. So once we come up here, I'm going to add to my puts. This is about 108.50. Mess it up. Watching here, Square coming down, QS, whoo, big full candles coming down, Chipotle coming down, and then we have Tesla. No real convincing bounce right here. Big tailing wick. Looks like we're coming down. Let's see if 108 holds or if we break. So right now, everything is coming down. Game coming down here. So game, my target price is going to be right here, 145. I think anything under ooh, we just broke 740. Well, like this tip here. Which is pretty bearish. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, anything under 160 on GameStop I think is a pretty good buy, just because 160 this week is the max pain, and in general we've been finishing around max pain all the time. Look at this, crazy. Oh, where are you going, buddy? You wanna come down? Okay. You want some food? The food is there. We've been finishing around max pain every week. Okay, TQ's coming down. I'm not going to add to my position right now. I'm just going to hold. So in the money right now, I have strikes at 108, like put strikes for tomorrow. So if Tesla breaks below 737, it's going to be a very, very big down day for Tesla, so watch out for that, guys. Tesla is going to be leading the tech sector on that fallout, up about 4.2% on my puts right now on the TQs. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. Let's see. Oh, let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute. Not quite a tweezer bottom, just because we do have a lower bottom here, a lower low. But it is an engulfing candle on the 1 minute, right? So signifying a possible reversal. Let's see if we get rejected off the blue. What, buddy? You got your corn? Yeah. So I'm going to draw in a channel here that is looking like it is forming. Daddy, take this, okay? And then we have this forming down here. Actually, let me adjust this. Give me a second, buddy. Yeah. Okay, give me a second. 1 second, buddy. Okay. There we go. So we have something like this on the TQs right now on the 1 minute. So getting rejected off the blue. Okay. You gotta win, buddy. So we're just getting rejected at the top of that channel there. So this is a very, very steep channel that we're playing in on the 1 minute. Got rejected right off the blue, right? So try to come up, touch the blue, came right back down. I'm just gonna adjust this line a bit. There we go, touching the tips of all these here. So this is the channel we're playing in. I think we're just going to bounce around here for at least some time, and if we break to the upside, I'm going to get out of my puts. If we stay in this channel, I'm just going to hold my puts, because it looks like we will be going down for the rest of the day, possibly all the way down to this yellow line. That's where I'm going to take a good chunk of my profit, and then I'll let the rest ride. Well, there we go. So on game, this yellow line now is acting as a resistance. Whoop. Buddy, you gotta be careful. You're dropping some coin. There you go for you. Okay. Can Daddy help you? Okay. There you go. So game giving us a little bounce. Everything bouncing now a little bit. Okay, so on the SPY in the last 5 minutes, tailing wicks off the bottom here. It's trying to reverse at this level, which is the lower band of the channel. Okay, Betty? Just watching the TQs here. Let's see if SPY is continuing that reversal. Getting stuck here. We have 42 seconds left on this candle. If we close above the last 5 minute candle, that's going to be bullish. If we close below, that's going to be bearish. Let's see. The last 5 minute candle high was 4:15.09. Right now we're at 414.93. And watch Tesla. Tesla, be careful here. Looks like we're getting rejected off this blue line. We do have two resistances here, right? We have the fib and the blue line pushing us down. So we ended below the last 5 minutes, so that's a bearish signal, guys. Oh, you finished, buddy? You dropped a whole bunch on the floor. You want to go clean up? So that blue line on Tesla acting as a resistance. TQs look like we're continuing to come down, just following this channel here. The SPY finishing lower, right? So this red candle finished here. The high of the last candle was here, so it finished lower. That's bearish. Ooh, Tesla trying to pump. Let's see. 7% up on my puts. So if we break out of this channel, I'll take my profit and exit. Otherwise, I'm just going to hold for now. Tesla, this might be a fake break to the upside and then an immediate reversal. So let's see what happens here. Pulling us out to the 1 minute. On the TQs, we've been getting rejected off of this blue line. Right? Rejection, 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 rejection. So let's see. We've got 30 seconds left on this candle. Ooh, very strong push on Tesla. Let's see if the TQs follow. SPY also trying to push. Flipping back out to the 5 minute here. What do you want, buddy? Daddy's busy. So I'm going to try and add to my puts here. Off of this top of the line, and then if we break that line, I'll be getting out. So I just bought an additional couple puts here at this level, and then let's see what happens here. If we break this yellow, then I'll be getting out. What do you want? Are you stuck? What do you want, buddy? You stuck? Yeah, you get whatever you want and you bring it to daddy. You don't have to whine. You go get it. You go get it. You're a big boy. You can get it yourself. Show daddy. Just watching the charts here. Okay, get it. Bring it. Okay, come to daddy. Bring it. Yeah, bring it. Thank you. Okay. Okay, come. Watch your step. Yeah, watch your step. Good job, buddy. Good job. Let's see what happens as we get to the yellow line, which is the VWAP, and then the blue line. These are my stop out points, so we break the blue, I'll be getting out. But it looks like Tesla's getting a bit of a reversal here. So let's see if that is reflected now in the TQs. Yeah, ABCs. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, look at that reversal on Tesla. Quick sell off there. Let's see. So the TQ is getting stuck here at this level. Yeah. That's right, buddy.
Dada.
Yeah.
Dada.
Mm-hmm. F is for forgive.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a B. Bzz. Bzz. And G is for card. And dragonfly. Ooh, look at that reversal on the TQs. So getting rejected right off this level. That's kind of why we added to our puts here, just because we're at the top of the channel. Yeah. Owie, the fox. Woof, 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 woof. Yeah. The fox too. Woof, woof. Ooh, big sell-off. G is for genius. K is, yeah, K is for kind. Okay, very genius for you. L is for love. M is for maid. So as you see on Tesla, this is a failed breakout here. We broke above the blue, couldn't hold, got rejected here. Now we're coming back down. So as I said before, if we break, the number 737 stands out to me, but that seems to be the low of the day. I thought it was over here somewhere, but yeah, we break 740, that's bearish, and we just broke that over here. So a lot of weakness in Tesla this morning, as well as the tech sector. Ooh, trying to make a reversal here. Yeah, A, B, C. A, A, B, ba, C, K. Yeah, A. Mm-hmm. Da, da, da. Mm-hmm. Getting pretty good tailing wick here on the NASDAQ. We do have an ascending support here. Yeah, that's a bird. So we break this line here, that's going to be bearish. Yeah. If we hold this line, it might break to the upside. So I got to be careful here with my positions. Yeah, there's B. B is for believe. C is for children. Yeah. Bye-bye. It's a birdie. So a lot of back and forth here. F is for forgive. Yeah, there's a B. But we're still unable to break above this blue line here. So this blue line acting as a resistance for most of the morning for us. Next page. Tesla, let's see what this blue line does. Yeah, the fox. Fox here. So we broke above the blue line. Now let's see if we can break this fib. Yeah. J. Yeah, J is for Jesus. And K is for kind. Tesla getting rejected there right off the fib. Let's see if we can break this. L is for love. M is for maid. Yeah. Yeah, 555. N is for name. And O is for obey. Yeah. Oh yeah, Art, how's it going? Yeah, P is for pray. Woo! So TQ is just breaking this line here, so super bearish. There's no more. No more? Okay, get it. Get that one. And then you can have your apple pancakes and your apples. Gotta get for you. Here, put this away.
Wow, wow,
Wow,
wow,
wow, wow, wow, wow.
wow.
Yeah, look right here, buddy. Apples.
Mm,
Mm.
mm,
Mm-hmm. You want?
Papa,
Yeah. You want this? Here, you hold your food. Ooh. So it looks like we're trying to hold that line there. You wanna come down? You don't want to eat? Oh yeah, there you go. Ooh, look at that nice reversal on the TQs. Is AMC moving, Art? Oh yeah, what's going on, Art? Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that reversal on Tesla. I gotta be careful here with my TQ calls. I mean my puts. If we break above that blue line and we hold above that blue line, I gotta exit. Let's see what AMC is doing. Yeah, wait for that. AMC. Woo! Nice move on AMC. Looking like we're setting up for a spirit bomb. Let's see what happens. Okay. We got the TQs here. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. But we are holding that support line that I drew in. It's Jafar. Some consolidation on AMC. Yeah, this guy's trying to go into the cave. Super scary cave. There's Aladdin coming down the rope. Woo! Looks like we're reversing. Tesla's moving up, so I'm selling my position here. Yeah, bye-bye. Aladdin's looking at the castle. Let's see. AMC some consolidation. Yeah. Jafar. Ja. Yeah, this is a shop owner. And she's giving him apple. Yeah, look at apple. Do you want some apple? Yeah, have some apple. Yeah, she's feeding little boy apple. Just like you, little boy. I'm gonna pick up some calls on the TQs here. Really good value at this level. Just breaking above that resistance. So I'm gonna buy for 108.50. Let's see here. A little bit of a back and forth. I'm gonna try and buy it along the blue. Yeah, more? Yeah. Okay. Any more? Looks like it's good here. We're holding the blue, so I hit buying. What do you mean system error? The hell? Why am I getting a system error when I'm trying to put it in order? Tesla trying to hold that VWAP. There we go. We just got some calls on the TQs there. 108.50 strike. So I like the fact that we broke out of this downward channel holding above it. This might be similar to yesterday when we broke out of the downward channel. Yeah, he's growing quick. Can't believe it. He's just like running around the house trying to climb everything these days. Right, buddy? Little bull? Yeah. Ah. Buddy, you're dropping your apples. I'm gonna try and buy another bunch of calls if we bounce off the yellow. Just waiting here. So I'm gonna continue buying along this uptrend here. You drop something? That's Daddy's power clip, right? We don't play with that. Okay. Ooh, looks like we're trying to run here. I like how this looks. So I'm gonna put in my next order right here. So we're getting a lot of back and forth today. AMC coming down to this blue line. Let's see if we get that bounce. This is a play we usually make, right? Pump, consolidation, back down to the blue, enter, next pump. We got Tesla trying to bounce here right off the fib, using this fib as a support level. We have QS looking like it. Hello, QS. Looking like it's trying to run here. Chipotle trying to hold up. We got Square pushing up against this fib. What are you doing, buddy? Yeah, go get it. You don't need my help. You can do it yourself. You're a big boy. Go get it, buddy. Daddy's right here. Daddy's right here. Yeah, you can get it. Daddy's right here. You can get it. You can get it, buddy. Daddy's right here. You get what you want and you bring it back to Daddy. Okay, good job, buddy. Good job. Be careful. Yeah, walk back here. Wow, good job, buddy. Good job. You want some more snack? Open this for you. You want apple? Daddy, I want to see it bounce off this yellow line. Okay, buddy. Come. Tesla building this upward channel here, ascending support level. Okay, you want to read this one? Okay. You want to sit with Daddy? So right now the TQs are forming higher lows and higher highs. We got sunsets. Ooh, sun goes down. Maggie goes home. Woof, 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 woof. This cat goes meow. Yeah. And got some chickens. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah. Yeah, Jan skips home. going home. Even the bats get up. Ooh, it's bath time. After bath time, it's time to go to sleep.
That.
That. The end. Everyone's sleeping. Ooh, AMC looking good here. Continue consolidate along the blue line. What do you want, buddy? Apple? You want to eat? No, what about daddy? You want to eat something? You want to take box? Okay, okay. So a little bit of a downturn here, looks like. Some curvature off the top in the NASDAQ. And we do have a big drop in Tesla. So I'm getting out here on my call positions. I gotta watch it here. Getting ready. If we break this yellow line, I need to get out of my position. Yeah, it's okay, buddy. It was looking pretty bearish. Got out. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. There's a cat. Meow. What do you want? There's nothing here. What are you whining about? No, you ripped it. It's okay. It's okay. Get another one. So a lot of volatility right now, back and forth in the market. No real trend so far, but we do have Tesla falling. So I'm going to wait for a little while before I take another position. It's looking like it wants to break down, but it's just back and forth, back and forth. So today I think rather than riding the trend, we're going to take short-term profits, 5% here, 10% there, in and out, in and out. So if I'm taking a look at this here, this is kind of what we're looking at, this triangle here. I'm going to wait here before I take a position. I've been getting a lot of false breakouts. What I don't like is that Tesla is really weak this morning. And Tesla usually leads the NASDAQ. That book is too big, buddy. You don't read that book. How about these books? Look. Yeah, you want these ones? Yeah. You need poo-poo? You don't need poo-poo? I think you need poo-poo, buddy. So I'm going to try and take some puts here, guys. At the very top of this line here, just because Tesla is looking a little bit weak. And then we got multiple tailing wicks off the top here. So I'm seeing tailing wick, tailing wick, tailing wick, getting to the top of this channel. I'm looking for a reversal. Yeah. Okay, you're safe, buddy. break below this level here, I'm going to add to my puts. If we break above this level here, I'm going to get out of my puts. Babe, can you change him? He just went. Let's see if we break above this candle here.
No, you're too late. It's in your diaper, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, then you have to change over here. Right there, you have to change here. No, you have to change here because you're already poo-poo in your diaper. You don't need poo-poo on toilet anymore.
I'll pick up another couple puts here. Just waiting. I see a reversal on Tesla. Picking up some puts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 tailing wicks off the top. But we are holding along this blue line. What I'm looking for is a break of this blue line here. There we go. So now we've got a break below this yellow line. What other stocks are you looking at, Art? So we got Game coming down. We got Square just kind of consolidating here. QS trying to hold this blue line. We got Chipotle coming down. We got Tesla coming down. I don't really know if this is a level at all. Hi Joan, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Okay, no problem. Okay. Oh, that is coming today? Oh. Right, okay, right. Mhm. Okay, perfect. We'll do. Right. Okay, excellent. I'll let you know as soon as I get them. No, not at all. Mhm. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Okay, perfect. Mhm. Right. Okay. Mhm. Okay, sounds good. Thank you for the call, Joan. I definitely will. All right. Thank you so much, Joan. Take care. Bye now. Alright, so let's see where this candle closes, guys. Looks like it's a bullish candle bouncing off this VWAP here. I'm just going to wait for a while. Might be a little false break. We do see the RSI pointing up, MACD pointing up, but we've been seeing a lot of reversals this morning on the Tesla, tailing wicks off the top here. I'm seeing a lot of weakness in Tesla. We do have a flat bottom here, getting lower and lower, so I'm going to hold my puts on TQ. Where are we right now? Puts on TQ a little bit underwater. So I'm about 3% down on these puts. So if QS popping, Square is moving up. I like the look of Square. AMC, really nice consolidation here along the blue line. Watching Tesla, watching the TQs. So this line has been broken. And then we do have a flat top right here, right before 109. Take a look on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we see a lot of selling at these tips here. See Tesla slowly crawling up. Tesla on the 5 looking pretty good. QS, we got Chipotle. If we break this level here, I need to get out of my puts. This is the pre-market pivot point, 108.96. So we have resistance here, here, here. Skills, yeah. I like the story behind it. I mean, competitive gaming on mobile, kind of gambling, betting, right? Testing your skills, I guess, against other players. I read somewhere that their retention rate is really high, above any of the other apps there. Let's see here. If we go to 109, it's going to be bullish. Touching 109. So generally when we have these big candles, we don't have a support area until back down here, so we get a reversal. It's going to be a very quick reversal. Let's see what happens at this point. 109 holding as a resistance. Top here, top here, top here. Ooh, breaking. Tesla getting stuck at this fib level. TQ is getting stuck at this pre-market pivot level. Trying to break again. Watching here. Tesla bouncing off of the fib on the yellow. Got the fib in the VWAP. Getting ready to sell my put position here. So it looks like we're crawling upwards here. So I'm getting out, taking a pretty big loss on that, 15% down on my puts. So we do have here this gap. If we break this, 109.23, I'll be hopping in. I actually like the SPY just because we have more room to run. So at this point here, I'm looking to go long SPY. So 416 is going to be my mark. So right now I'm waiting. I want to see us break above this yellow and this orange. There we go. Looks like we're breaking, so I'm in. So SPY has been curling upwards here. So SPY, actually, I like the setup a lot better than the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is just, the candles are too large here, right? So I don't like that. Just because if we do get a reversal, it'll come down very quickly. No level of support until back down here. SPY looking good, nice full candle as we approach this resistance level. Square is still looking really good. So Tesla getting rejected off of the VWAP here. Nice push on the SPY. Alright, Art, have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Take care, Art. I'm gonna head out probably in about a minute as well. Alright, so let's do a quick market review. What am I looking for the rest of the day? TQs looks like it wants to break this level. This is a pre-market pivot here, looking good. Top, but we just broke above that, so that's super bullish right now for the TQs. Tesla probably going to go on a run today from this point on, from this fib level where we marked it out early in the morning. Okay, so on the NASDAQ, what are we looking at? Let me pull it out to the hourly. Now that we broke over this level here, we're looking for 112 as a stop out point. If we break down anywhere below this blue, it's going to turn bearish. We might bounce off this yellow. On the SPY, zoom out. SPY bouncing off really nicely off this levels here, which is the channel that, I mean, it's been bouncing off of for a while. So now that we're back into this upward channel here, we do have room up to 418, and after 418 all the way to the top of this channel here. I don't think we'll get there. That's way too high. Hey buddy. But yeah, looking for that. So looking really good right now. Like a pump consolidation into the next pump. So this is a really nice tailing wick off the bottom there. Yeah, come daddy, don't worry, it's okay. So looking for SPY to hold these levels here. On GameStop, what am I looking at? I'm looking to pick up position down here at around 140. What are you whining about, buddy? Yeah, pick it up. Good job. Bring it to daddy. Otherwise, I have a pretty good GameStop position already, so not going to be adding to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. It looks like the market is going to try to push for now. Let's see here. SPY using this level here as a support. So previous resistance becomes new support. We got the TQs getting a little false breakout here of the orange line. Let's see if we can use that as a resistance. Yeah, buddy. Let's pull up this off a bit. Ooh, look at QS trying to run here. Oh, it broke $35. That's crazy. Square getting caught up here. Tesla looks like it's still trying to run. Tesla looking good. And then we do have the pre-market level here, pivot, just right under this orange line. 416.27 that the SPY needs to break, and then we can see new highs of 417. Alright, that's pretty much it for me today, guys. This is Mitch from Dumb Money Day Trading signing off for now. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys made some money, and I hope you guys learned a lot. I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early around 9:15 to 9:30 as we do every trading day. Alright guys, have a good one. Bye for now. Say bye buddy. Bye guys.